Hello subscribers, Tracy here giving you your first sneaky peek at the kit. Let's look at the cards first because I have cards to show you. Normally I don't get the cards to be able to show you. So these are some of the cute little add-on cards, some little inspirational cards with this beautiful collection that's called Urban Garden. It's our designs. We just love it. So many cute cards. You guys will be getting the first of the markers coming in this kit. They'll be coming in the February, March, April, May kits. There are 6 markers and a water brush, and these are the beautiful watercolor markers that you'll be getting in this kit. These are some of the most superb layouts ever. The girls have done an outstanding job. They are just divine. This is one of the add-on dies here. It's called Wonderful. And this is the other add-on die here. It's called So Lovely, and that is the main die in the kit. And let me just show you those guys. Where are the dies? Here you go. So Lovely die is the first add-on, and Wonderful is the second add-on. And you can also add on so this stamp is included in the kit, our new little mark making stamp. You can add on the second one, which is a dot one. You can actually add on an extra cut apart sheet for $1, and this is printed on watercolor cardstock. It's a cut apart sheet which you can use to, there is one included in the kit, color in with your beautiful watercolor markers. Add an extra one of those on for $2. You can add on an extra laser cut. You can add on an embelly bag, which I don't have here to show you, that has got the creative cuts, the laser cut, so another one of these little hearts and some extra little hearts in there. There'll be a picture, you can look at that. And of course you can add on the My Arty Love mini kit if you don't already have one. If you could get your add-ons to Trudy as soon as you can, that'd be great, girls. Thanks so much for subscribing. Bye.